Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this office chair that also comes with a massager and a heater. Right now it's plugged, so you can see that there is a cable going that way because this one comes with a vibration massager and also a heater. It supports 300 pounds. I think this chair is really good for like a home office environment. It looks really cool, but it's also really comfy. Check this out. You have a fantastic lumbar support over here, really nice and kind of like push you forward lumbar support. This section right here is more kind of like pushing you forward and giving you that 90 degrees position. Nice headrest right here, well padded, but mesh right here. So you're gonna have some degree of not sweating much, because this is all leather-ish. So with this one, you're gonna actually feel a little bit more of less of that. Really nice padded armrest. This one, you can't modify the height on the armrest. You're gonna see why in a little bit. In a high density foam, super firm cushion. This is a really firm cushion, so that is really important for you to know. It supports 300 pounds, as I was just telling you before, and it comes with this right here. It's a pocket, so you can actually say right here the remote controller, which this one is how you're gonna actually kind of like manage the vibration and manage the heater as well. It comes with an auto mode, and also you can do some kind of like the lumbar area, the back area. You can change the temperature. You can set it at an auto. You can actually change the modes as well, which I think it is really cool. I'm gonna turn it on right now. Oh, the vibration part in the lumbar area, I have to say that it's really, really nice. It's kind of like sitting and having that. Ooh, it started like kind of like it kind of like changed in the auto mode. It kind of like keeps cycling on the actual modes. I'm gonna just put it in here because I do want to show you some other nice feature right here. It comes with a leg rest, which is not kind of like a footrest, it's more like a leg rest. That if you pair this leg rest with this right here, I think it was this one right now. Oh, this is so good. This is fantastic. I have to say that this is a really comfy chair. Just for home office, kind of like gaming, some productivity, this could be a really, really good chair for you. So now you can see why the armrest, you can't modify the height because it goes with the actual backrest support. I think it's awesome. I'm just gonna keep chilling here. I do recommend this chair.